Hello Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today to share with you the November cherry box. So this cherry box features the Memory Lane collection from Fancy Pants along with some great goodies from Sizzix. So let's go ahead and open the box. I have not opened this, so we will be exploring this together for the first time. So you get your lovely cherry red paper, and I love that a cherry on top sends things with the cardboard. Yes, I realize it's additional packaging, but it keeps it safe. Because I can tell you I've had things that have come with dented corners, and I love that I don't get those dented corners. So yes, it takes a little bit longer to get into, but it is well worth the protection of your lovely scrappy goodies. And I save that and I use the box for spraying and other things. So you are going to get the collection kit that includes the cardstock, and we will go through that, as well as, so here is the cardstock, 2 each of 6 designs. So you have these lovely acorns, kind of fall-y, and that really cool plaid, and then these pears, and on the back side is a really cool sort of graphic wood grain, and then you get this floral wood grain, which usually you don't put those 2 words together, but indeed, and that cool polka. It's almost like the distress. I usually have it sitting on my desk right here, but it's just like that Uncharted Mariner. It's perfect for that. It's also actually speckled egg. Good colors to go with this kit. Just as an aside, those do not come with the kit. I was just thinking out loud. A floral, and on the back side another polka dot, and another floral. You can fussy cut those out with the keys, the heritage keys and locks, and then ooh, these birds. And I really like that brown with the leaves. So pattern paper. You are also going to get the puffy stickers. So these are the Memory Lane puffy stickers, and hopefully you don't have too much glare on that. You are also going to get, as part of the Memory Lane collection, you're going to get the enamel dots. There's 60 of them. You are going to get the ephemera pack, and there are 71 pieces in here. So mostly vintage sort of stuff, heritage stuff, but great fall things as well. You could use the flower and the moth. I shared a layout already using this collection over on a cherry on top, and then you're also going to get the cards and tags that accompany this collection with the word phrases and some labels, so that'll be cool. Then, as in addition to the collection, for some fun mixed media stuff, you're going to get this Sizzix stamp. So this is a wreath, no die, so you will have to cut that out. And yeah, as well as this is the die. So that's a fun fall die that'll go perfectly with that collection. Mushrooms, acorns, some leaves, and other fun goodies. And then you are also going to get the foil adhesive sheets. There are 8 sheets total, 2 of each. So you're going to get this bronze, silver, maybe that's bronze and that was gold, and that's silver, 2 different tones of silver. So that is the November cherry box. So if you don't subscribe, you have plenty of time to subscribe, but sometimes if there are some one-offs available, you can also get that. So check out the links in the description box down below. Thanks for stopping in today, and be sure to come back and check out what it is that I create with this lovely box. Thanks for stopping in today.